Are you someone who finds enchantment in the nighttime? There's something magical about the way the night unfolds. It could be the mesmerizing canvas of stars scattered across the night sky, or the serene, undisturbed silence that takes over once the sun dips below the horizon and darkness begins to blanket the world. As the hustle and bustle of the day gradually fades away, a soothing tranquility sets in, wrapping everything in a gentle calm. The evening brings a unique charm, and as we stroll through the quiet streets, there's a familiar feeling of hunger that often accompanies these nocturnal wanderings. Whether it's the allure of the night itself or the peaceful moments it offers, the nighttime has a special way of captivating our senses and nourishing our spirit. It's time to step into the kitchen and embark on a culinary journey that promises not just nourishment, but also a delightful experience for the senses and the soul. Cooking is an art that holds profound therapeutic benefits, providing a wonderful outlet for creativity and experimentation. It invites you to explore new flavors, textures, and ingredients, allowing you to bring to life a variety of dishes, from beloved classics to innovative new creations. The process itself can be meditative, offering a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As you chop, stir, and season, think about the joy that food brings when shared. Invite family or friends to join you in this culinary adventure, or relish the solitude if you prefer. The kitchen can be a place of bonding, where stories are exchanged, laughter fills the air, and memories are made. Talk about your day, the interesting people you met, and share amusing anecdotes that bring smiles all around. Food has a unique way of bringing people together, creating a sense of connection and community that is both comforting and enriching. There's something deeply fulfilling about sitting down to a meal you've prepared, surrounded by loved ones, engaging in meaningful conversation, and enjoying each other's company. As night falls and the world slows down, why not continue this theme of relaxation and connection with a soothing cup of herbal tea? The ritual of making tea can be a calming and centering activity. Choose your favorite herbs, perhaps chamomile, mint, or lavender, and let their aromas fill your space as they steep. This simple pleasure, often overlooked in the rush of daily life, is a reminder of the beauty in small, mindful moments. With each sip, allow yourself to unwind, feeling the day's stress and anxiety melt away. Embrace this time as a personal retreat, a chance to reflect, relax, and recharge. The simple joys in life, like cooking a meal and brewing a cup of tea, often carry the most profound meanings. They teach us to appreciate the small details, to find beauty in the mundane, and to cherish the moments of peace and connection we create. Each culinary endeavor and each cup of tea can become a gentle balm, soothing our minds and spirits, reminding us to slow down and savor life's quiet pleasures. In these moments, we discover a deeper sense of contentment and a renewed appreciation for the everyday miracles that make life so rich and fulfilling. Keeping a diary is a powerful tool for clearing the mind and overcoming internal challenges. This practice provides a dedicated time to engage in deep self-reflection and honest communication with oneself. By journaling, we have the opportunity to revisit the events of the day, reassess our aspirations, and capture fleeting thoughts that might otherwise go unnoticed. On days when the words don't flow easily, consider compiling a list of things you're grateful for. This exercise is a gentle reminder of the beauty, kindness, and blessings that fill our lives, fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment. In the whirlwind of our hectic routines, we often overlook the positive aspects that surround us. Taking a quiet moment to write can serve as a pause button, allowing us to reflect on our experiences and reconnect with our inner selves. This solitary time is not just about recording events, but about understanding and appreciating the richness of our lives. The act of journaling transforms these simple reflections into a powerful practice of mindfulness, helping us to remain grounded and aware of the present moment. Engaging in this daily ritual helps to cultivate a mindset of abundance. By consciously acknowledging and appreciating the good things in our lives, we shift our focus away from what we lack to what we already possess. This shift in perspective can significantly enhance our emotional well-being, making us more resilient and optimistic. The simple act of writing becomes a meaningful journey of self-discovery and personal growth, fostering a deeper connection with our true selves and the world around us. Through regular journaling, we can navigate the complexities of our thoughts and emotions more effectively. It allows us to process our feelings, gain insights into our behaviors, and develop a clearer understanding of our life's direction. This practice not only helps in resolving internal conflicts, but also empowers us to make more informed and intentional decisions. As we consistently engage in this reflective practice, we build a habit of introspection that enriches our lives in profound ways. Keeping a diary is much more than a simple exercise in writing. It's a transformative experience that encourages us to slow down, reflect, and appreciate the journey we are on. It reminds us to be present, to cherish the small moments, and to find joy in the everyday. This mindful practice of journaling ultimately leads to a greater sense of peace, fulfillment, and connectedness, both with ourselves and with the world around us. Engage in the art of mindful breathing, a transformative practice that serves as a gateway to mental clarity and physical relaxation. With each deliberate inhale and exhale, feel the burdens of the day melt away, leaving you refreshed and rejuvenated. By directing your attention to the rhythmic pattern of your breath, you effortlessly anchor yourself in the present moment, letting go of worries and distractions that clutter the mind. Rekindle your love for literature by delving into the pages of your favorite books. Rather than rushing through them or keeping a tally of your reading progress, allow yourself to luxuriate in the beauty of each word and the depth of each narrative. Take the time to unravel the layers of meaning intricately woven by the author, allowing their words to stir your imagination and provoke introspection. Reading before bedtime becomes a cherished ritual, a tranquil escape into the realms of imagination and storytelling that gently lulls you into a state of relaxation, preparing you for a restful night's sleep. While not every evening unfolds with such serene perfection, incorporating these soothing practices into your nightly routine can help you unwind and prepare for the peaceful slumber that awaits. These rituals have been my faithful companions on the journey to inner calm and tranquility, and I am grateful to share them with you. Thank you for graciously lending me your ear and allowing me to impart these moments of solace and serenity.